the sun dips behind the ancient houses, Hanoi begins to don its mysterious and enchanting nighttime attire. The city's transformation from day to night is a breathtaking spectacle, a symphony of lights coming to life. This is Hanoi, a city of lights and poetry, ready to unveil its stories. The old quarter of Hanoi, where each narrow alley and vintage signboard tells a tale of history and culture. When the sun sets, the old quarter transforms into a vibrant hub, its streets bathed in the warm glow of lantern light. Each corner buzzes with life, the air filled with a harmonious blend of the old and the new. The night reveals a different side of these ancient streets, a side that's just as charming and alive. A walk through these streets is a journey into the past, illuminated by the glow of the present. Long Bien Bridge isn't just a historical symbol, but a vantage point for a serene view of Hanoi. A proud testament to the city's resilience, it stands over the Red River, offering a unique perspective of Hanoi's nighttime charm. From here, Hanoi reveals a tranquil side, reflected in the calm waters of the Red River. Hoan Kiem Lake, the heart of Hanoi, sparkles under the gentle glow of the street lights. As night falls, the lake becomes a serene oasis, echoing with the whispers of ancient legends. It's here that the myth of the returned sword to the golden turtle god unfolds, imbuing the lake with a mystic allure. The tranquil waters mirror the lights of the city, creating a mesmerizing spectacle.